What if ChatGPT could help you create something today that someone might actually pay you for? Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you ChatGPT side hustles that can help beginners start making money faster. In this video, I'll show you simple ChatGPT side hustles, what to offer, who to help, and how to take action today. Now let me be real. This is not guaranteed money, and this is not a get-rich-quick promise. But ChatGPT can help you create faster, write faster, and offer services faster. ChatGPT is powerful because it can help with writing, ideas, scripts, emails, captions, product descriptions, resumes, and business content. The fastest path is not waiting for a product to go viral. The fastest path is offering a simple service to someone who needs help right now. Here's the formula. Find a problem, use ChatGPT to create a solution, edit it, package it, and offer it to someone who needs it. Do not just ask ChatGPT how to get rich. Use it to create something useful that saves people time or helps them make their business better. The first ChatGPT side hustle is writing product descriptions for online sellers. Etsy sellers, Shopify store owners, Amazon sellers, and small brands all need clear product descriptions that help customers understand what they're buying. A simple offer could be, I will write 5 product descriptions for your online store. That is clear and easy to understand. ChatGPT can make the first draft, but your job is to improve it, make it sound human, and focus on benefits. For example, instead of saying, this cup is durable, you can say, keep your drinks hot or cold longer with a cup built for busy mornings and long walkways. The second side hustle is writing social media captions for small businesses. This can pay quickly because businesses need content every day, but many owners do not have time to write captions. You could offer a package like 20 captions for a gym, restaurant, barber, salon, or local business. For a gym, a caption could say, small progress is still progress. Show up today, move your body, and become 1% better. Look for businesses that post online but have short, weak, or inconsistent captions. Then offer to create a few free samples. The third ChatGPT side hustle is short video scripts for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Creators, coaches, real estate agents, barbers, gyms, restaurants, and local businesses all need short video ideas that grab attention. You could offer 10 short video scripts with hooks, main points, captions, and calls to action. For a barber, one hook could be 3 haircut mistakes that make you look older. That kind of hook is simple and attention-grabbing. The fourth side hustle is resume and cover letter help using ChatGPT. People want better jobs, but many struggle to explain their experience clearly. That is where you can help. A simple offer could be, I will rewrite your resume summary and cover letter to sound more professional. The fifth side hustle is writing emails and business bios. Small business owners, coaches, creators, freelancers, and service providers all need better bios, emails, and about pages.
Here's your simple plan. Pick one service, create 3 samples, post your offer online, and message people who may need help.
Remember, ChatGPT gives you speed, but your value comes from editing, organizing, communicating, and solving real problems.
ChatGPT side hustles can help you start today, but don't wait for money to appear. Create something useful, show people what you can do, and offer real help. This is Fast Money Marian.
Thanks for watching Fast Money Marian. Remember, ChatGPT is only the tool. The money comes when you use that tool to help real people solve real problems.